Hi, I'm Krista.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
And we're Farmhouse Rosekill.
And today we're going to make a Farmhouse Merry Reindeer sign. The supplies includes a Merry sign from Dollar Tree, tissue paper from Walmart, adhesive pearls from Dollar Tree, striped twine, Mod Podge, and chalk paint. So we just began by taking the tissue paper and cutting out little rectangles to the size of each letter. Take some Mod Podge on there, put the tissue paper on the Mod Podge, put Mod Podge over the tissue paper, and let it dry. And then once it dried, we took a piece of sandpaper and hot glued it to a dowel rod so we could sand off the edges. We repeated the same steps with the reindeer head, but instead we used gold tissue paper. Once everything has dried, we took some Waverly chalk paint in the color white and the color Java to distress the letters. We painted the top and sides of the sign with red chalk paint. And we also used Java to paint the antlers. Now we're going to take 2 adhesive pearls and paint them with black chalk paint. To create our reindeer's nose, we're going to take some of our red tissue paper and cut out a circle. We used a dabber as a template to create the circle, but you could use any round object you'd like. And we're going to add a little speck of white chalk paint to create the reflection in his eyes. We used hot glue to glue his eyes into place and Mod Podge to put his nose on. We decided to paint the back of the sign with white chalk paint to give it a more finished look. We're going to take some striped twine and wrap it around our deer's antlers, leaving space in between each piece. Now we're going to take ornaments that we got from Walmart and remove the greenery from one of them and attach it between our deer's antlers using hot glue. Now we're going to take some mini pine cones and glue it into place on either side of the greenery. And finally, we're going to create a hanger for a sign using some ribbon. We're going to take our ribbon and fold it in on itself and glue it into place to make it more narrow. And here's the finished product. Isn't it adorable? It sure makes our holidays merry and bright. Thank you for joining us today for our Farmhouse Merry Reindeer sign. Make sure to check out our Farmhouse Christmas DIYs playlist. We'll have it linked down in the description box below.
And once again, thank you for watching. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for your support.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Every subscriber, comment, and like helps our channel to grow and for YouTube to notice us a little bit more. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Talk to you guys next time.
Bye for now.